Well guys, here we are in New Zealand. I want to introduce you to our new home. That's right, Jucy. This is our house for the next 14 nights. We have rented this camper van. We're just finishing up the last of the paperwork. She's gonna wipe the windshield off for me a little bit. And we're gonna load this stuff up here into this thing. And away we go. This pulls out into a full-size bed. Let me back the camera out. This whole thing just moves forward. We've got an extra table and chairs. Let me go. I'll go inside for you. We got a refrigerator, but I'm going to do a full tour for you as soon as we get one of our stops. So don't worry, I'll detail the entire thing for you. This is just a quick, hey, look at us, we've got a van video. So it's a refrigerator. There is a toilet in there, but Lord, I don't think we ever want to try to use it. That would probably be some sort of disaster. And anyway, this is us for the next 14 days. Make sure you subscribe, follow us, and here we go on an adventure around the North Island of New Zealand. That is right, that is a right-hand drive vehicle, and I'll be driving on the left side of the road, and I've never done that before. Oh my God.